Hey everybody, Byron with Autowbrake here. This is an update on our directions. There's been a little bit of confusion on different ways to power up the Autowbrake. And the thing to remember, the Autowbrake has 5 wires. It's brake, power, ground, and lights. The power should go to your junction box on the 12-volt line. And if you have a vehicle that's got a charge line, that's going to run through there. It's going to charge the battery and power up the Autowbrake. That's perfect. Now, can you run on battery power? Absolutely. One of the things it shows in our instructions is to not use the battery for a power source. And the first thing I need to clarify is do not use your breakaway battery. That is a smaller battery. You need to use the 12-volt battery. And is it possible to use that for power? Absolutely, as long as you have something that maintains the charge on that battery. So via a charge line, solar on the trailer. So it is, in fact, okay to use your battery as a power source. Just know if you don't have a full charge on that, you are going to get some sporadic braking. So you do need to make sure that it stays charged. The second option, if someone has a 4-way flat and you don't have the 12-volt line on the trailer, can you use the Autowbrake? And yes, you can connect our power line to the lights on the trailer rather than the 12-volt line and turn your lights on manually, not on auto, but on manually to power up the Autowbrake. Now, this won't work on all vehicles, so it is a test for you. If the vehicle has a smart alternator, some of the newer vehicles, you're going to have a problem with that. So the other option, again, going on the battery, as long as you have a battery that maintains a solid 12-volt charge, and you'll be good. The last item in storing the Autowbrake, when you have your trailer stored for a few months or when you're not using it, we recommend that you disconnect power from the Autowbrake. So it is possible to have some back feed coming from that 12-volt battery on the trailer when everything's disconnected. So remove your ground, your black line on that battery, and that should take care of that, and everything should still charge. If you have any questions, call us. We're always here, 319-521-2310. Also on the directions, there's a 24-hour support line, and we're always here to help you out with questions. Thanks for choosing Autowbrake.